Okay, good morning, everybody, and welcome to a very unique kind of session on how to prepare for elevator speech. Basically, this term came from people, those who are in marketing, those who are in sales, because when you need to present your idea, when you need to present your product, goods, or services, you need to impress your customer, you need to impress your buyer, or it may be a individual customer or a business organization. So starting 1 minute, 2 minutes play a very important role. What kind of objective, what kind of incentive, what you gonna do for that organization. So it has actually emerged from sales department. But today you can see here the main theme of our discussion: how to prepare for elevator speech. Before I invite my student to give elevator speech, you can see here a little bit about elevator speech. What is this elevator speech? Basically, when you think of offering a particular product, goods, or services, so it's not only a basically a good services which you are offering, but more than that, you are offering a value proposition. So it's a value proposition is a 30-second elevator speech stating the specific value a product or service provides. So it's not, for example, a chocolate. It's not only a chocolate, because when you think of chocolate, offering a chocolate, it's basically a kind of happiness. It's about relationship. It's about more than a chocolate. It's gave you some kind of emotional feeling, emotional understanding, that chocolate or coffee. You can give one example, coffee. So similarly, all products nowadays, it's a more than a product. It's you can define in terms of value proposition. So here you can see the main concept of 30-second elevator speech. It's basically you are offering a value proposition, and it's stating the specific value a product or service provides to a target market. Firms may develop different value proposition for different group of customers. And here you can see everybody, the value proposition shows why the product or service is superior to competing offers, and why the customer should buy it, or why a firm should hire you. So today discussion would be more on, instead of selling or buying a product, it would be about individual, how they should represent themselves, so that they can be on a good position in terms of competitors, that company will hire them or will give them opportunity. So here you can see one example of one organization, one consulting organization. They have mentioned, our clients grow their business, large or small, typically by a minimum of 30 to 50% over the previous year. They accomplish this without working 80 hours weeks, and sacrificing their personal lives. So here you can see what kind of value, what kind of proposition they are offering. So similarly, I requested my student to think of your strength, to think of your opportunities, think of your weakness, and then you supposed to join a particular organization. But before that, how you gonna create such kind of value proposition, whatever strength you have. So here you can see one question for elevator speech which we have given to students, and today's student has prepared for this. So here is the one question. A student, as a student, we all face this problem. You are interviewing for an internship. Create a value proposition for yourself that you may use as your 30-second elevator speech to get the company interested in hiring you or talking to you more. So this always remain a challenge, right? So I hope student will give some kind of perspective. They will give maybe 30 to 1 minute speech, and they will be telling us that why we should hire them. Suppose we are interviewing them for internship. So now, without wasting a time, what we need to do, uh, you can see this recording on this. You can see here a link of YouTube. So I request you all, you can join this session, and you can click on this YouTube and you can join us and you can see this discussion. So let me come back and just stop sharing, and now I invite my student one by one to give elevator speech. Yeah, good morning everybody, welcome. You need to unmute your mic and you need to keep your you know video on mode. Yeah, start, Akansha.
So, hi, my name is Akanksha and I'm a third year commerce student at Global College, University of Delhi. This internship appealed to me as I'm interested in international relations as a possible career. And I find myself fit for this internship as I'm passionate, I'm determined, and confident. And apart from taking regular classes, I've also been volunteering with a few companies and NGOs. And here is my resume, and I really look forward to getting more in touch, more information about this position. Thank you.
Please, next. Please continue, everybody.
Hello, sir. My name is Khushi Agarwal. I'm from Delhi and currently I'm pursuing BCom Honors from Kiroval College. I have been made school topper in both class 11th and 12th, and I consider my strengths as being a multitasker as I've always excelled at my studies as well as had a passion for sports. I represented my school at various levels in badminton and was the school captain also. And in my college days, I have been volunteering and I have been a part of various societies where I have understood how to organize various organizations. Also, I have been part of various internships where I got to know about the corporate exposure, real life exposure, and like how do corporates work, and got to know various connections and build professional connections. So I think that I would be a good fit for this internship. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi. Next, please.
A very good morning to all present. I am Kirtika Balraj, a commerce undergraduate from the prestigious Ironimal College, University of Delhi. I consider myself to be a perfect fit for the post of a correspondent or content writer. I possess confidence, articulation, and creativity, which can attract customers very easily. My immense knowledge of finance, economics, law, and literature can pave way for any company's good fortune. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Kritika. Go ahead, next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mahek Bali and I'm 20 years old. I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from Dehradun Public School with 96.6% in class 12. Currently, I'm pursuing BCom Honors from Kirurimal College, Delhi University. I have worked as an intern with different companies as well. I have always been a quick learner, readily grasping things, and my skills to work as a part of a team have been my positive traits. My strength is to take initiative to work independently, and my goal is to become more knowledgeable and responsible. I'm excited at the thought of the opportunity to apply skills and experience in your company. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehak. Next.
Hello everyone, myself Prachi. I am pursuing BCom Honors from Hironimal College, University of Delhi. And apart from pursuing this undergraduate degree, I am also pursuing CA and I have cleared my intermediate level. I have an interest in the accounting and auditing fields the most. So I think this internship will help me a lot as I always wanted to put my theoretical knowledge into the practical area, which I think this internship will give me this opportunity. And apart from the academic thing, I have also had an internship in student-led organization as a graphic designer, and discovered that I can also handle the creative things more good along with the academic. So I think I am a multitasker and will give my best. So I fit in this internship. Thank you.
Thank you, Prachi Sharma. And I request you all, please on your camera. We are recording this session. Yeah, no, next. Go ahead, next, please.
Good morning, sir. I am Vishali Gautam, a third year student currently pursuing my BCom Honors degree from Kirorimal College. I have done my schooling from Kerala School, therefore I know the Malayalam language, which is the language of Kerala. I'm an academically inclined student and have maintained good CGPA during my school as well as my college days. I'm currently working as a data mining and updation intern at an organization. And prior to this, I have worked as social media marketing intern in two branches of the other organization. In my leisure time, I love to watch inspirational movies and listening to music is also my passion. And I hope I will be a suitable fit for this internship profile. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Have a
Roshni.
nice day.
Okay, next, please. Please on your camera, everybody.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shrishti Medical and I am currently pursuing BCom honors from Glorious College team. I am a highly motivated person and an enthusiastic learner as I am always keen to seek and learn new opportunities that will help me to excel as an individual. I work hard to improve my mental in every field, whether it is academics or co-curricular activities. I have worked as a member in many societies as well as always ensured good marks academically. As I am a fresher, I am looking for opportunities that will give a kickstart to my career and the much needed knowledge and experience. And I think your organization is the one. Having good communication skills and spirit of teamwork, I assure you to be beneficial. I assure myself to be beneficial for your esteemed organization. Thank you.
Thank you, Sisti. Yeah, no, next, please.
Good morning, sir. Thanks for taking time to hear me out. My name is Shruti. I'm currently attending Delhi University, majoring in commerce. I selected Delhi University because its quality of education as well as marketing curricula. I've seen the power of marketing as products. I've worked in an internship for the past 3 months and sales level in cases where I don't know marketing well. This is the career for me because I'm kind of being creative and time focused, and I enjoy using these skills in role setting. I would be a strong match for your opportunity. Here's my CV. Thank you so much.
Okay, Shruti. Next, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Soumya Richavan, and I'm a third year BCom honors student. I'm a fast learner, keen to understand and learn new concepts to add them to my skill set. As an individual, I have always worked hard to excel in my academics while also balancing my personal life and other activities. Talking about school and college, I have managed to badge different positions of responsibility and different organizations, and I've been consistent in my academics as well. I can vouch for the fact that I've always been among the top scorers in school as well as college. Since I'm a fresher, I'm looking for opportunities that can provide me a good start to my career as well as the practical experience that is needed. Being a good listener and a responsible teammate, I assure you to be an asset to your organization. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia. Yeah, next, please.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vibhu
Vibhu,
Agarwal,
please
and
on
I
your
am a
camera.
third year student.
Vibhu, on your camera.
Sir, it is actually not working due to some
So
network
you got
issues. It's raining
all
outside.
those who has problem, they're gonna lose 1 marks. Okay, I don't mind. Continue, please.
My name is Vibhu Agarwal, and I am a third year student from Kirodimal College pursuing BCom honors. I am really determined to get this internship, and I consider myself to be a good fit for this. I can work efficiently both as an individual contributor as well as along the team. I'm always open to learn and learn at the same time. I'm learning as I'm letting go of outdated practices and ideas and moving on to more advanced procedures. I have also been a part of an HR internship, which I was a team coordinator, and that has helped me to gain certain insights regarding human behavior. Currently, I am also aspiring for some practical knowledge, and I have found it to be a great opportunity to work with your company. Thank you.
Thank you, Vibhu. Yes, next, please. I believe all done. Is anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, go. Good, good. So I request you all, please on your camera so that we can see each other. Yeah. Go ahead, everybody. Thank you, Kushi. Rachi, others please. Yeah, Swisti, thank you very much. And who else? Vibhu, thank you, Vibhu. Prachi is there. Yeah, go ahead, everybody. Let me see all. Uh, what about others? Go ahead, everybody. And what you need to do here, you can see uh, this is our college and me myself. And what you need to do, I'm going to put this session on this YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. And we'll start with another session next week. That would be on, I know one company, India in the Box. It's a kind of, food business in New York. And it's about how to pitch an idea. So this was an elevator speech. Next time we'll talk about how to pitch an idea. So thank you very much everybody for joining today. And I request you all next time uh, you need to present that you need to think of a particular idea, particular business, particular service, and put your idea into some kind of presentation which will really attract, and not only attract the customer, but will tell the investor that this kind of idea, this kind of process you want to do, and that will really attract the investors. So for today, thank you very much, and we'll continue in next session. Thank you very much, everybody. Take care.